Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to talk about something very super interesting, that is face yoga, specifically the Face Yogi app. You have probably seen people talking about facial exercise all over social media. Does this app really help tone your face, reduce wrinkles, or even give you a more defined jawline? Well, I have been trying it out for the past few weeks, and today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about Face Yogi, including my experience, a demo, and whether I think it's worth your time. Okay, so first things first, what exactly is the Face Yogi app? It's an app that guides you through facial exercises aimed at toning and strengthening your face muscles. It's kind of like a workout for your face, targeting areas like your cheeks, jawline, and forehead, all in the hopes of reducing wrinkles and improving skin elasticity. I love how simple the layout is. Everything is broken down by your goals, whether you're looking to slim down your face, lift saggy areas, or just relax those tense muscles from a stressful day. So, how does it work? Basically, you choose a specific routine, and the app gives you video tutorials showing exactly how to perform each exercise. There is also voice guidance, so you are walked through every move.
Put your palm next to your temple. Lift gently up and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times.
I have been using this Face Yogi app consistently for 2 weeks. What did I notice? Well, first of all, my face feels more toned, the skin around my jawline feels more tighter, and I definitely see a reduction in puffiness, especially after staring a long day at screen. So is Face Yogi worth it? If you are someone who is into skincare, self-care, or looking for a fun way to work out your face, then this app is definitely for you. The free version offers enough to get started. Results you can consider for the premium feature. Overall, I have enjoyed using it and I'm excited to see the long-term results of this app. That's it for today's video. If you want to use the app, you can use my referral code, that is MEGHA, and you can use this app for free for 7 days.